Hello everyone, so today I've got some makes that I've made. So guys, I used the Prima Flirty Fleurs pad. Sorry, bumped you again. It was this paper pad. I absolutely loved it when it came in, guys. I did do a flick through. If I can remember which video it was, I'll link it down below if you want to have a browse of the paper pad. But I made these cards, guys. So I had to dig in my stash and I found I had these decoupage little card toppers, and so I made them up one day and I decided to make a couple of cards for two ladies whose birthday was actually a little while ago, guys, I must admit, and I've had plans of this for ages, and their birthdays came and went, and I was like, should I still send it? It's very, guys, there's fashionably late and then there's these cards, but I'm sure the ladies are going to love it when they see it. Well, I hope they do. So yeah, I'm taking them away, but let me show you the cards. So don't make that many cards. I've made some cards on here, but I wouldn't say I'm a card maker, but I would like to, you know, polish my skills because they're not exactly the best. So what I've done, I've got this card. I've opened it this way, guys, you know, upwards than the traditional way. I just wanted it to be a bit different, and I've taken a bit of my favorite paper. This is my favorite pattern in the pad, and as you can see, it's got like a holographic little elements to it, and then I've just taken some pink paper, cardstock actually I think it is, and I've drawn a fake stitch line around the edge, and I've black lined around. That's Ashley from Paper and Twine's little thing, so I thought I'd give it a go, guys. I don't know if I've done it very well. It you know, it's thicker in some areas than others, but anyway, that's just me picking it apart, but it did make it stand out, so I will be trying that technique again from Ashley. And then inside I've just put a couple of the little elements that were left over from the decoupage sheet, and I thought that was super cute. And then I made this one with the teapot and the tea, guys. And oh yeah, I forgot to say, I put a little bow on the other one as well. I thought it needed a little something, so I put that. And in here as well, I put a couple of the elements there from the decoupage sheet. And then I made these two boxes. Now the first one is got this paper from the paper pad, and then what I've done is I've put a strip from, it's like the reverse of the inside, because these papers are double-sided, and I've stuck it along the border here. And then I was thinking, I didn't include a closure in the beginning, and I already stuck down the actual inner box part, so I was like, well, how am I going to keep it closed? So what I decided to do, I'm going to do a belly band. I haven't got it on right now, but before I send it out, it's going to have a belly band, and I've pre-made some large bows, some large white bows, and I'm going to put those on the belly band and put those around. So yeah, when the ladies receive it, and I do actually upload this video, I'll put their link so you can go over to their channels and have a look. But yeah, I absolutely love this paper. I love the, you know, I love glitz, and I love glitter, and I love sparkle. So this was right up my street with the holographic paper there. And then basically it is a flip open, I don't know what kind of box you'd call this, guys, but I made it flip open like this, and then inside the box I have put in each one a little notepad, guys. I bought these little notepads quite a while ago, a long time ago, guys. I forgot to even really upload about it, but I found them in Tesco's one day. This was absolutely months ago, guys. I believe it was, and yeah, they were selling them, and so I picked up a few of them. I'm not even showing you. I picked up a few of them, and I've mounted it into this little booklet. I've cut out one of the little elements there from the paper pad, and then I've added a pen. I also bought these pens at the same time that I bought the paper pads from Tesco, and I've made a little pen holder here on the side. And then the way that I've attached this is I've poked 2 holes into the paper, and then I've threaded some twine through, and then I've stuck the paper pad down on top just to keep it secure, and then that allowed it to be tied up there in a little bow. That just keeps the book together. And guys, I didn't really put much on the front of it because I really love this paper pad, and I didn't want to cover it up. So I've just got another cut apart element here, and it says start something new, and I've just stuck that one down the bottom corner. And then before I get to the goodies, I also made these little boxes. I have a die, guys. I bought it from Ali. I did show you guys. I absolutely love the little way that the paper swirls to close, so you don't have to put a closure. You can, but you don't have to. And then I've just included some little ink pads in here. So there you go. I've just put some little, and it fits in. It's a snug fit, guys, I'm not gonna lie, but it does the job. It actually fits it nicely. And I just made it with the corresponding paper to the little notebooks there. So I put 2 of those in. And then I've also picked up some of these little gems from Hunky Dory, and I've put those in as well. And I've just included a little face mask, guys. I love a good face mask. Do you know what? From teenager, I've just really loved doing face masks and pampering and, you know, bath bombs and all that. And I just thought that was a really cute little gift. So if you have a look here, I've done the same. So I've used this birds one. This is another one of my favourite papers with the birds in the iridescent. And again, I'm going to put a belly band with the white bow because I don't want too much to take away from the actual paper. So that's the face mask. I need to put that in the bottom. So again, I think the ink pads inside are the same colours, but I've made the boxes again in corresponding paper. So the little boxes are the same colour as the notepads. So I've made this notepad here, and then I've put a green pen on this one, and I've put some of this silver. Now I only had one of these, so both the cords and threads that I've included were what was sent to me in friend mail or you know, gifted to me or anything like that, and I've just used them. So I didn't have 2 of the same to make them the same, but I think they go really well anyway. And I've also put another little cut apart here. It says believe, achieve, succeed. And I'm just thinking, shall I open it? Because I did, again, I cut out one of the little like they had a page where it had lots of different notepad little sheets, and I've cut that one out and stuck it there if the lady would like to put some notes or something to remember there. And so yeah, and then I've included again some little jewels, gems, sparkly ones, of course, and I've and that completes the little gift. So I'm going to be sending these out, guys. I'm pre-recording it, so once the ladies have received it, then I'll post this video, and then you'll know. Oh, I'm always bumping you there where you are. I hope you're all right. But anyway, so yeah, once the ladies have received it, I will upload this video, and then you guys can tell me what you think. So as always, guys, if you like this kind of content, don't forget to hit the subscribe, give me a thumbs up so I know what kind of videos you like to watch, and also don't forget to click the notification bell. And guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.